Ever wonder how good your English actually is?
If you don't know your level yet, this episode is exactly what you need. Welcome back to English Daily Dialogues. I'm Frederick.
And I'm Emma. Today we have a quick 20-question quiz covering grammar and vocabulary, specifically designed for A1, A2 beginners.
Grab a piece of paper or open your phone notes. Give yourself a point for every correct answer. And at the end, we'll tell you exactly what your score means.
Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like so you never miss a lesson. Ready? Let's do this. Question number 1. She blank a doctor. Is it A, am, B, is, or C, are? The answer is B. She is a doctor. If you got that, give yourself a point. Question number 2. They blank eating lunch. Is it A, is, B, are, or C, am? The answer is B. They are eating. Whenever you see ing and you're talking about a group, are is your best friend.
Question 3. Do you have umbrella? Is it A, B, an, or C, the?
It's B, an umbrella, because umbrella starts with a vowel sound.
Question 4. Yesterday I to the store. Is it A, go, B, goes, or C, went? The answer is C, I went.
Last grammar one for now. Question 5. I don't have money. Is it A, some, B, any, or C, many?
The answer is B, any. We use any for negatives in questions. Like, do you have any coffee? Because I really need some right now.
6. What is the opposite of expensive? Is it A, rich, B, cheap, or C, fast? The answer is B, cheap, though I prefer to say affordable. Question 7. Your mother's brother is your A, aunt, B, cousin, or C, uncle. It's C, uncle. Your aunt is the lady. Your uncle is the man. Question 8. Where do you go if you want to buy bread and cakes? Is it A, a library, B, a bakery, or C, a pharmacy? It's B, the bakery. Question 9. What is between your hand and your shoulder? Is it A, your leg, B, your neck, or C, your arm? It's C, your arm. If you picked leg, we might need to have a very different conversation later. Okay, question 10. Which word is an action? Something you do. Is it A, table, B, run, or C, apple? The answer is B, run. You can't table very well, and you definitely can't apple across the street. Question 11. I am very blank because I didn't sleep last night. Is it A, hungry,
B, tired, or C, happy?
The answer is B, tired. If you don't sleep, you are tired. Simple logic.
Question 12. Could you blank the door, please? It's very cold in here. Is it A, open, B, close, or C, fix?
The answer is B, close. If you opened it, you'd be even colder. Question 13. He blank a new car last week. Is it A, buys, B, buying, or C, bought?
The answer is C, bought. It's another one of those irregular ones. Buy, bought, bought. Say it with me. Bought.
Question 14. What time blank the movie start? Is it A, do, B, does, or C, is?
The answer is B, does. What time does it start?
Question 15. I usually go to work blank bus. Is it A, on, B, with, or C, by?
The answer is C, by.
Oh my gosh, give yourself a pat on the back. Seriously, that was 15 intense questions.
Take a deep breath. Okay, count them up. How many points did you get? If you got 12 to 15 points, you are a rock star. Your A1 foundation is super solid. You're ready to start pushing into A2 conversations. If you got 7 to 11 points, you're doing great. You have the basics. You just need a little more glue to hold the sentences together.
And if you got below 7, hey, listen to me. This is exactly where you're supposed to be. You're learning. Please, please tell us your score in the comments. I'll be down there hearting your comments and cheering you on. And tell us, what was the hardest question for you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can keep studying together. It makes a huge difference for us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Freddie. And this was English Daily Dialogues. We love you guys. See you in the next one.